Hey, what's up today? Your faith mama coming to y'all with some chili omelet. Look at the chili beans. Yes, I said chili omelet. There's nothing wrong with trying new things. Y'all should try it. You got some chili left over? Make you a chili omelet. I'm telling you, it's fine. And I put the cheese on top. Cheese in there with the beans. Stir fry, and I got me some toast. Yes, look at that. Look at that. I'm ready to get it in because I am hungry. Y'all should try it. I'm telling you, it's fine. The sour cream on top. I'm telling y'all, just like the cheeseburger omelet, the chili omelet. You done made you some homemade chili, like I did yesterday. In the morning, make you a chili omelet. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing like that acid. Good belches too. Oh boy. You know, Chicago just has some senseless killings. My God. We was growing up, we didn't have to worry about none of that. I mean, none of that. Not like it is today. What? Y'all, the reason why I say what, y'all like, what is she eating today? I'm telling y'all, try it. Take some chili and make you a chili omelet. And if y'all do it, let me know. Let me know how it tastes. I'm feeling so blessed. So good. This morning, I got up, washed my hair. Today, I just got to get me a hairstyle. Because I'm going to pull my hair back and back and back. So I ain't going to have no hairline. Forehead going to continuously to get big. That's all I do is just pull my hair backwards. Because I sweat so bad. And it's like I can't sit still. I'm always on the go. I'm always moving. Always moving. I always figure you got a lifetime to lay down. Lifetime for that. As long as this breath in this body and these legs and arms is functional, I'm on the go. You ain't got crazy. my business, but I like to go to the store. If I'm just window shopping, like later on, I plan to cook some pepper steak and rice. Yes, I already set it out. Gotta get it cracking. Who wants to go pepper steak and rice? I said, you know what? I've been needing to. I need my own restaurant. Because I love cooking. Excuse me. I failed. I love cooking. And I got another brother. He loves to cook too. You know what I got to taste for? Might give me a can. Salmon croquettes. And I love fried green tomatoes. I haven't had that in a while. Ooh, Lord, Lord, Lord. Lord have mercy. Mercy me. Show is delicious. Show is. Show is. Show is. Yeah, I'm like, what's wrong with this crazy lady today? I said, I'm just feeling blessed. I got my rabbit over there. Gracie. She over there just cutting up. Gracie! Let me let y'all see. I don't know if I'm aiming it right. That's my table. And there goes Gracie. Gracie! There goes Gracie. Say hey, Gracie. Say hey to him, Gracie. Look, there goes Gracie. Told y'all. Gracie B. Look, Gracie ain't nothing to be scared of. Look. See? There she go. She got her ears up. She got her ears up, so that means they're in attack mode. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable mode. Sometimes she'll sit and she'll stomp her feet. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if something is bothering her, crawling, spiders. I don't know. But I love them. And rabbits, they good pets. Low maintenance. Spend about $12 to $15 a week. Buy her food. Get her cedar wood for her bedding and for her messing. And then if you're going to buy her some little treats or something, you might spend about $20. When you go to Walmart. Not Petco. Not Petland. Walmart. Because it's cheaper. I'm just getting so used to y'all. This is now part of my life. I wish I could cook for y'all so y'all could taste my food and y'all see why I'm smacking. Why I'm always talking about this is good. When I was young, I loved staying in the kitchen. I used to love to learn how to cook. And as time went on, I got better and better and better. Y'all wait till Thanksgiving. I'm gonna throw down, throw down. Kind of been had a taste for some dressing. Just a little small pan of dressing. Some dressing and some greens. Now I make me some greens. I love collard greens. I used to mix in mustard. I love straight collard greens. And I always got to have my onions and my bell peppers. Mix that in there too. And when I went to the meat place, I got me some beef neck bones. I'm trying to see. My mom was telling me this morning, why don't I make some beef neck bone, make some soup, some vegetables and stuff. I don't know, I can eat them by myself. Normally I get some pork ham hocks, but excuse me, I told you I'm trying to lay off of that pork because it's not good for me. Beef, you know, it makes you feel a little sluggish too, but that pork gets to me. But it be so good. So good. So greasy. So good. Oh, Lord. Just one little piece. Get one little. See that? One little piece now. Boy, I tell you. I mean, that was fire. And my kids, they like it too. My other half, he likes it too. They like anything I cook. Anything. There was a couple of times I experimented. They be like, mama. This not it. But other than that, they love my cooking. Well, I just want to take the time out to thank God. Give all praises to Him today for waking me up and waking y'all up. And make it capable for y'all to sit here and watch me today. And me to sit here and entertain y'all. And share a part of me with y'all. I give all praises to God. It's just so much stuff that's just going on today in this world. And you have to stay prayed up. Every day. Each day you walk out that door. You got to stay prayed up. Because you don't know what you're coming in encounter with. You just don't know. Got to count your blessings and enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. I tell my kids all the time, don't take life for granted. But I want to plan me a trip. I tell my mother she wanted to take me to Las Vegas. That's next month, the end of the month. But I don't know. I'm always saying no, and I shouldn't be. And I always tell me I need a trip and don't go. I don't know. I think I just feel like they're going to need me. If I leave, they're going to need me. But when you take that long trip, they're going to figure it out on their own. But I just wanted to come to y'all today, this lovely, beautiful morning, and say I love y'all. And I hope y'all having a wonderful, wonderful day today. And be safe. And if you haven't subscribed to the Your Faith family, please subscribe. Give a comment down below. Hit them thumbs up. Hit that notification so you can join me as soon as I post. And for you loyal subscribers, I love, 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 love y'all. And appreciate all of the wonderful, wonderful comments. I truly love y'all from my heart. And I mean that. If I met you in the streets, I would tell you the same thing. I have a compassionate heart. I love peoples. And I love y'all. And y'all know y'all be seeing me later.